All right, next question. There is another rule that they changed last year. Who knows what that rule was? Who knows what that rule was? Okay, so settlements. Settlement basically means that when you do a trade, you have to wait for the trade to, you have to wait for the money to settle. So here's what I mean. You get into a trade, you spend $800. Okay, you get into a trade and you get out of the trade and you made $200. So your $800, you made $200. So now you got $1,000 in your account. You have to let that money settle. Okay, if you trade again on this same money, you will get a violation for not letting funds settle. So a long time ago, it used to be T, which stood for the trade. T stands for trade. So if you do a trade today, Wednesday, long time ago, you had to wait 2 days. So it was T plus 2. So that meant Friday, the money would settle. Okay? Now they changed it to T plus 1. So if you do a trade today and you make your profit, it's 1 day for that money to settle, and now you can use the money again. All right? But long time ago, I was bad for this, y'all. I'm gonna talk about myself. I was bad for that. Over in it was not Schwab, it was TD Ameritrade. Baby, I didn't care nothing about them violations. I was like, give me my money. in out. Cause what happens is, let's say you have $1,000 in there, right? Well, back then, I had more, but of course, it's now Schwab. But anyway, I would be in, out. So I would end up doing like 8 trades, right? Because I was day trading, right? 8 trades, right? And at the end, they'd be like, you violated the settlement. You violated the settlement rules or something like that. And I was like, give me my money. I don't care what you saying. I don't care nothing about the words coming out your mouth. Make sure my money hit my account. Period. Point blank. Okay. So I would always get violations over there in TD Ameritrade. So usually, what's it? Robinhood don't do all that. Robinhood lets you be wild and out of control. They ain't gonna sit here and you put no thing on there where you violated the settlement. Nah. So anyway. Oh, wow. Thank you. I appreciate that. Some people have said that. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. So yeah, over there, I could care less. Okay. Give my money. So anyway, so now they changed the rule from T plus 2 to T plus 1. So that means your money is ready to use the very next day. You got 1 day for it to settle. You can start using your money and not have to worry about any violation. Okay.